the country is in a mourning mood for the loss of one Ojwang. The defense team here passes condolences to that family. The defense here is just discharging its mandate under the Cabral rule that we have got to defend everybody who comes to us. Our client, Talaam, passes condolences to the family of Ojwang. But after that, several key points need to come to the public. One, Mr. Talaam was never arrested in Eldoret, where he comes from. His lawyer, Kito, presented him to the DCI, and the DCI took him to IPOA, where he was arrested. Number two, Mr. Talaam had handed over the station to his deputy and handed over all the instruments of an OCS, which is the office, the pocket phone and everything, when this occurrence happened, and shall be raising a defense of alibi. Third, IPOA has confirmed that the deceased died in a police cell. The law of anybody who dies in a police cell is in section 385, 386, 387, and 388 of the Criminal Procedure Code. An inquest happens. We have gone to the High Court, filed a constitutional petition before the judge that the arraignment of the OCS is actuated by other exterior issues. The political class, civil society, and very many other actors are being blamed for the DIG, who equally comes from Eldoret. And that's why we are very clear that let not Talaam be sacrificed just because of his ethnicity. For record purposes, the DIG reported an offense, an allegation. Communication between the DIG to an OCS does not exist. The chain of command of the DIG is to give directions, if at all, to give directions to the operations director. That information will be relayed to the regional commanders. The regional commanders will relay the information to the county commanders. The county commanders will relay information to the OSPD. Then from the OSPD to the OCS. Let us not move in the manner we are moving, because this, bringing Mr. Talaam here, is mob lynching. IPOA is reacting to what the public, and that public is not representative enough. Due process must be followed. An inquest must be put in place so that the country knows what is there. The police cell called Central, the media will not be allowed to be there. From entry, you get a report office where the sentry, who has the key, is. There were two. From there, where they were, to the entry, the gate going to the cells is more than 15 meters. Then that is the only door that one can access the cells.
He appeared a few sessions reasons being, you've seen what has been going around. But now it was a day or a day today to put on record all these issues surrounding the death of Albert Ojwang, and also to demonstrate that our client is not criminally culpable in any way. We've done our part. We've interrogated and confronted the evidence that were tendered by the Independent Policy Oversight Authority. The court has had a chance of hearing us and also hearing the side of the prosecution. And as we all know, ruling will be rendered on Wednesday, and we await the court's finding or determination of that. Of course, this was also a good day because from the legal perspective, many issues have arose. You've all seen the gray areas in law which needs to be illuminated by the court. And we hope also that ruling also, apart from settling the issues and controversy, will also be able to eliminate certain aspects of law for the benefit and also for a betterment of our jurisprudence.
Talaam has been brought to court today. I'm reliably also informed me as a team that he has been interdicted and has been asked to be reporting every week at Eldoret Police Station. Even with that in mind, the state, through IPOA, has decided that they want to bring him to court and hold him for investigation. This is a matter that we are saying, probably we want to abscond, probably we want to interfere with witnesses. We are forgetting one thing, that all along he has been outside. If he wanted to interfere, he would have done that. He did not do that. If he wanted to abscond, he had a free ticket, he would have gone. He did not do that. Why? Being a straightforward person, and a person of integrity, and a person of his standing, and a person who has a family, who sympathizes with this situation, he would want to clear his name. He wouldn't want to go out in disgrace. And I said this before. All they needed to do is ask him, come, let us record your statement, come, let us do this. And when you charge him, then you interdict him.